In the world of aerospace, where precision is not just a goal but a necessity, CNC machining stands as a pivotal force. Welcome to another video with us here at Design to Product Limited. Through the lens of CNC technology, we see more than just machines cutting metal. It's the art of shaping the future, one precise cut at a time. This sophisticated technology ensures the utmost precision and reliability in manufacturing aerospace components, from engine parts to instrument panels and structural components. By employing computer-aided precision, CNC machines can produce parts with extremely tight tolerances, handle a wide array of materials, and effortlessly create complex geometries, proving indispensable for the aerospace sector's advancement. As we gaze into the horizon, the journey of aerospace is not just about reaching new heights, but about the relentless pursuit of perfection. CNC machining, in its quiet precision, propels us forward. With Design to Product Limited, the future of flight, precision engineered. If you want to discuss more about CNC, you can book here through our Calendly link, and for more detailed assistance on CNC machining, or to get a fast quote including delivery to your non-sanctioned country, you can send your STP, PDF files and quantities to the email listed here. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.